Hello again, everybody. This is Joseph with a tutorial. Car batteries, as you know, always measures positive 1260.60. So I received an email from someone with the following question who asked me, well, I measure minus 12.3 on the car battery and the car still cranks. He says, is something wrong with the battery or is something wrong with the meter? When I measure, I put the red one on the positive and I put the black one on the negative. Why do I measure minus 12? So to analyze and to understand, first of all, the positive of the battery goes to power distribution, to all the systems, through the fuses. Number two, that also goes to the starter. Number three, the alternator comes back to the positive to recharge the battery. Those are a couple of things. So, to analyze, why would you measure minus 12? First of all, you have to think, he says the car still cranks. So, as you know, the negative of the car battery goes to the engine block. If the cables of the car battery would be reversed, that means the positive would go to the engine block. Obviously, that's a dead short to ground, and you would have sparks flying. You would not even crank, obviously. The car, you would not be able to crank because the cables would be inverted, which means, obviously, you would have a dead short to ground. So the only conclusion we could come up from is that his probes were inverted. Now, if you see over here, I have the red and I have the black. I inverted them. So I put instead of putting the red one to the positive, I put it to the negative, which did give me minus 12. But he said I put the red one to the positive and I put the negative to the negative, the black one to the negative. Why would I measure minus 12? Well, when I thought about it, I said, you know what? Obviously, the cable's not inverted. His probes might not be inverted, but he probably put them in the wrong jacks. So when I emailed him back, he says, yes, that was the problem. In other words, instead of putting the positive in the positive where it says volts, ohms, he put it in the common. And the common he put in the other one. Therefore, you get a minus 12. It's not bad to measure minus 12 because you know the cables are not inverted. Otherwise, your car would never crank. So obviously, just a simple mistake that putting the probes into the wrong slots would give him that idea. That reading. The reading wasn't bad. He didn't measure minus 12, as you see, but it's minus. You should not measure minus. You should measure positive. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments, likes, dislikes, whatever. Automotive Electronics Schematics by Joseph. Thanks for watching.